I'm back with a new video, and today it will be a get ready with me again because I'll be heading out for like a girls' night out. Today's look is more like a night look, but then again, whatever I say doesn't really matter because later in the end the makeup's gonna look different again. Okay, so let's move on to the makeup. Today I'll be starting off with the Water Glow Base Corrector from LANEIGE. It's like a very beigey base, and it creates this glow on your skin. Be blending it out with a beauty blender. It's a dampened beauty blender. Really gives this like glowy. Okay, next for the base makeup, I'll be using the IDS Diamond Dust Perfector. The finish is quite matte, so I'll add a little bit of glow using the Ultra HD Soft Light Liquid Highlighter from Makeup Forever. This is quite a lot of product. I like to use slightly more because I'll be blending it out with a dampened beauty blender sponge. The sponge will take away at least half of the product on my skin right now. It's still a very thin amount, and using the dampened beauty blender, just blend it. I like to add a little bit of liquid highlighter to my base makeup when I'm doing like a night look because it gives your skin such a nice glow. In the dark, it kind of makes your skin look like it's really good. Okay, next I have with me a new product from Excel. It's their Glow Concealer. I haven't used it before. Okay, it's super liquidy. Just gonna apply on my... Oh, it's quite sheer. Blending it out with a beauty blender. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Saem Tip Concealer, which is my must-have and must-use. Seal the areas I need to conceal. And as the routine goes, using my MAC Oval 6 to blend out my concealer. Okay, I'm done with concealing. I'm gonna be using the Body Shop Moisture White Bright Compact Foundation. So just gonna be powdering the areas that I've concealed. Just gonna be setting my entire face now using the LANEIGE Brush Pact. It's cute. So just dusting away some excess powder from the compact powder just now, and also setting the rest of the makeup. You know, Singapore is so hot. No matter what, we need to set our base with powder, else it's gonna slip and slide and it's not gonna last the night. It smells really good, this powder. If you're someone who really needs to powder your face throughout the day, right, this is the best product because you can actually just take it out like this, and there is a brush as well. I'll be using this Uemura Heart Formula Brow Pencil. Okay, this is the first time I'm using it. I hope it's good. I'm not even sure if the shade is correct. This product is actually very surprising because I tried to swatch it on my hand, right? Nothing comes out. You see, look at how light it is. But the moment I draw it on my brows, it's very pigmented. Decided to make it slightly thicker. Just blending it out now using a spoolie. I think the eyebrow shade is not my shade. I received it in a goodie bag recently. I thought it's like dark brown, but it's like reddish brown. It's okay, we'll fix it later. But the product itself is great. It's so nice to use. Maybe I will just go and buy a shade that is similar to my hair. Okay, using some concealer, I'm gonna be fixing the sides of my brows. Okay, since the eyebrow color is a bit too reddish for my liking, I'm gonna be using this CANMAKE Mixed Eyebrow Powder. This is in 03, it's like a ash brown shade. Use some of the powder to like change the color a little. I like to use a powder eyebrow product after using pencil because it helps to really set the makeup, and it also looks a lot more feathery and powdery, like slightly more natural looking. It also helps to fill in some gaps if you miss it just now using the pencil. Now I'll be using the MAC Wedge eyeshadow along with my MAC 224 to contour my nose. The trick to contouring my nose is always doing it this way. From here, down, and then bringing it to the eye. So it looks straight at the same time. There's this depth over here. Okay, done with the contouring of my nose. I'll be doing my eye makeup now. I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. Actually, really want to burp. I've been like tolerating the burp. These are the shades, but I am not a super fancy type of girl today. I'm not feeling super fancy today, so I'm just going to be using something more neutral. Okay, using Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brush in 200. I'll be using this shade, Camel Tone Brown. Just gonna be using it on the outer corner of my eyes. Just tapping a little on my outer lower lash line and bringing it in. Next, using a smaller contour brush from Etude House, this ash tone brown. It's a really dark brown. Just tap a little on the outer corner near the lash line. I wanted to wear false eyelashes today, but I feel like I'm gonna sweat so much that my eyelashes will fall off, so I think I'm gonna skip that. Okay, next I'm gonna be using this Pony Effect Grind Sparkling Eyeshadow. This is in the shade Club Kid. It's kind of like a champagne glitter pot, so you kind of grind the eyeshadow a bit. Gonna just be using this small eyeshadow brush from LANEIGE. Cut out some of the pigments. So I'm done with the eyeshadow for now. I'm gonna layer it on a little bit later. Gonna be using the XL Gel Eyeliner in dark brown. Does it look creepy? I like to use my finger to like blend out the gel eyeliner after drawing it on, just to make it look smoother. I didn't wing out my gel eyeliner, so that's great. So I'm just using the same shade as just now, the dark eyeshadow from the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. So I'm just going to be using that shade to smooth out the gel liner. This helps to actually make the eyes look smokier. Is that the word? Hazier and smokier. So using the same shade, I will also be adding some on the inner corner of my eyes. Just a little. Curling my lashes and just putting on some mascara. Using my favorite Juice to What eyelash curler as always. So my favorite trick to curl my lashes is first curl it this way straight once, and then tilt it once, and tilt it again once. Each time you change position, you clamp it about 3 times. And the higher you tilt, the lesser pressure you should put in, because you don't want the ends to be overcut. And then I'll give it one last curl at the roots, just a very light, and it will look very curly and nice. Look, please look. It's like this instead of like this, right? Okay, so one more time, nearer to the root. 1, 2, 3, tilt it, 1, 2, 3, tilt it, 1, 2, 3. Just don't apply too much pressure at the end, else it's gonna be like. Okay, so now I'll be using the LANEIGE Jet Curling Mascara. Lower lashes. I think I have some dark eye rings that I really want to conceal some more. I just noticed that my dark eye rings are coming out. I'm gonna be using the CANMAKE concealer. Okay, I'm done with that, and now I'll be moving on to my blusher. Okay, so for the blusher, I'm gonna be using this from Benefit. It's the California blush. Just using my blush brush from LANEIGE in 05. It's a coral blush. Just gonna be tapping a bit here, bringing it up. Since this is a night look, I kind of want to go for a more sophisticated feel. So I'll be using this MAC Cheeky Bronze. So I'll just be using this fluffy brush, tap a little, tap off the excess. Since I kind of went for like a bronzy effect for my makeup today, I will be using this Sweet Peach Glow from Too Faced. I actually broke this. It's very unfortunate. Oh my gosh. I love the Peach series from Too Faced. So the difference with this highlight shade is that the shimmer specks are gold. So it looks more, I don't know, sunshiny. Just using this NYX fan brush. You can see the gold specks. Really pretty. Okay, I'm done with highlighting my face, so I'll be going back to my eyes now. I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow from Etude House. Just gonna be using this to highlight the inner corner of my eyes. This step is super important because it actually it really makes your eyes pop so much more. So I'm done with my eye makeup. It's not the super exaggerated kind, but I kind of focus on the glitter a lot. So for my lips, I'll be using a brick red shade, and this is from Burberry. I really like this. They just sent this to me yesterday. I tried out the shade Copper Pink and it's so beautiful on my lips. Yeah, I'm just gonna be trying this shade. I hope it's pretty. So I'm done with my makeup. I'll be using this Fix Plus from MAC. It has this like shimmery bits inside just to give my face extra glow. I really like the look today. It's kind of like sultry, autumny vibe, although it's not autumn now. And I achieved my goal for today, which is I didn't wing out my eyeliner. And yeah, I think this look is really suitable for like night out or like night date. It's not super fancy looking in person, but yet it's like glamorous enough. Okay, so I'll be getting ready, top to bottom, changing my clothes. So thank you so much for watching my Get Ready With Me video again today. Okay, it's a bit hectic today because my brain is like kind of like blank today. And also, it's my first time filming Get Ready With Me at this hour, and I totally forgot about the fact that the sky is gonna turn dark and it's gonna affect the quality of the video. But still, thank you so much for watching my video as always. I hope you like it, and if you have any other requests, please let me know at the comments section below, and I will see you all really soon.